The benefits of a Bryant Evolution system. If you're looking for the top-of-the-line comfort and efficiency, let's talk about the Bryant Evolution. It's not just any HVAC system. This one is packed with benefits that can make a huge difference in your home. Number 1, energy efficiency. The Bryant Evolution system is designed to save energy without sacrificing comfort. The system has one of the highest efficiency ratings on the market. With its variable speed technology, it adjusts how much heating or cooling is needed rather than running at full blast all the time. That means lower energy efficiency bills and more eco-friendly home. Number 2, quiet operation. Nobody wants a noisy HVAC system, and with Bryant Evolution, you don't have to worry. It is engineered to run quietly so you can enjoy a peaceful home while staying comfortable. With the ratings as low as 56 decibels, they are one of the quietest units on the market. Number 3, advanced humidity control. This system doesn't just focus on the temperature, it also keeps an eye on humidity. With advanced humidity control, your home stays comfortable even during those sticky summer days. Number 4, superior air quality. The Bryant Evolution system is compatible with top-notch air purifiers, which helps improve your home's air quality by capturing dust, allergens, and other pollutants. It's perfect for those people with allergies or anyone who just wants cleaner air. Number 5, smart technology. With the Evolution Connect's control, you can monitor and adjust your system from anywhere. Whether you're on the couch or on vacation, the app lets you control the temperature and settings from your phone, so you're always in charge. The Smart Hub also allows you to see how much energy you used, how many times the system turned on, how long it ran, and how many kilowatts of energy were used. Number 6, IntelliSense. IntelliSense is a 24/7 monitoring system offered only to the Bryant Evolution customers. IntelliSense will always monitor your system health and upload its status to the Bryant Contractor Portal. The status is always being monitored by Bryant, and if something goes wrong, we will immediately know about it. IntelliSense is also what the technicians use to diagnose and fix your unit should there be any issues. At Synergy 3, we believe in specializing 100% in Bryant equipment because it's one of the highest rated brands out there. With the Bryant Evolution system, you'll get a top-performing, reliable system that's built to last. Want to know more or upgrading to a Bryant Evolution system? Visit our website or give us a call at 267-686-6004 or visit us at synergy3.com. We're here to help you find the perfect fit for your home.